All right, guys, let's do some practice with geometric sequences. And this is in ALEKS. And I'm really just asking a few items here. For this first one, for each sequence, determine whether it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither. And I've already kind of gone through and clicked on it, but if I wanted to check to see, actually, let me just try another. I want to see if that's arithmetic, geometric, or neither. To check to see if it's arithmetic, and you can probably see from the pattern here, this first one, that it's not, because I would just be trying to see what the difference is, 100 minus 1,000, and then 10 minus 100. You don't get the same thing. So it's not arithmetic. What about geometric? I could do a ratio. I could do 100 divided by 1,000, and I can do 10 divided by 100. That's 100 divided by 1,000, 10 divided by 100. This one would get me 1/10. This one would get me 1/10. And even if I did another one, 1 divided by 10 will give me 1/10. So this is, because there's a common ratio, it's geometric. If I look at this one, if I do 17 minus 23, I get -4. -6. If I go 11 minus 17, I get -6. 5 minus 11, I get -6. That's actually arithmetic. And what about this one? If I add 7 here, I get 16. Add 7, I don't get 25. That's not good. What about 16 over 9? Let's try geometric. 16 over 9, and then 25 over 16. So we just make ratios. Those are not the same, so it's not geometric. So it's neither. All right, so that's the first one. Let me jump to number 4 here. Find the first 4, and I won't find every single item, but I'll find a couple of them here. If I say that a sub n is equal to 3, 4, n minus 1, and I want the first 4 terms, I'm looking for a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. Now I can find this very easily without doing all the math by recognizing that my r is 4, my first term is 3. So without doing any math, my first term should be 3. For my second term, remember, geometric sequence means you multiply, right? So if this is 3, 3 times 4 will get me 12, times 4 would get me 48, times 4 would get me 192. So using what I know, I can find the first 4 terms relatively easily. 12, 48, 192. All right. Take a look at number 5. I'm going to use this page, but I'm going to go ahead and draw it down here. Give me some workspace. All right, for number 4, it says the sequences are either arithmetic or geometric. Determine which one it is and then write a formula for it. I'm going to focus on the geometric one for now, but let's just see. 7 times 4 gives me 28. 28 times 4 does give me 112, so that's geometric. Let me go ahead and write that out. I know that it's geometric. I need to know the first term, and I need to know r. The first term is 7, r is 4, so I can write this out very quickly. A sub n is equal to the first term. Well, in general, it is a1 times r to the n minus 1. Well, in this case, our a1 is 7. Our r is 4 to the n minus 1. So I'm just going to write that over here. And let me see what kind of formatting they have. Okay, we're good. So a sub n is 7, there it is, times 4 to the n minus 1. And if I try to select the next one, I'm going to run out of time. So that would be the explicit formula for that geometric sequence.